In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live chat for Salesforce support. Leveraging Salesforce support's live chat feature can dramatically enhance your troubleshooting capabilities and streamline your support experiences. Let's walk through the simplicity of connecting with a Salesforce support expert using this feature. First, you'll need to log in to Salesforce Help by navigating to help.salesforce.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register for one to gain access to personalized support. Logging in ensures that any case or inquiry you're making is directly tied to your account, allowing for faster, more efficient support. Once you're logged in, look for the Contact Us button. This is typically represented by a phone icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon is your gateway to various support options. Here, you can decide whether you'd prefer to contact the support team via phone or online. Depending on your situation or preference, you might opt for an immediate phone call, but if you're working in a noisy environment or prefer written communication, the online chat is an excellent alternative. If you're slightly more adventurous or needing help at an odd hour, consider using the AI agent. This automated assistant is equipped to handle a multitude of common inquiries, providing instant answers without the wait that can sometimes accompany live support. The AI can guide you through simple troubleshooting steps or provide information about features and services available through Salesforce. However, should your needs surpass what the AI is programmed to handle, don't worry. The AI agent can also seamlessly connect you with a real Salesforce support expert. This escalates your issue to a human professional, ensuring that more complex problems are resolved with the expertise they require. Before you start chatting with a live agent, be prepared to enter any required details about your query. This step is crucial as it gives the support specialist information about your specific issue, saving you time and avoiding the need to repeat information you've already provided. Once you've entered your details, you'll be connected with a Salesforce support agent who will assist you further. And there you have it. Accessing Salesforce support through live chat is not only quick and efficient, but also tailored to meet your varying needs, whether you choose an automated response or expert guidance. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you'll ensure that help is always just a few clicks away. Remember, efficient use of these tools can vastly improve your productivity and problem-solving capabilities within Salesforce. Happy chatting!